Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Encryption Edge, your go-to channel for all things cybersecurity. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, a prompt injection flaw in Vanna AI that's exposing databases to remote code execution attacks. Let's break it down. Researchers recently uncovered a high-severity flaw in the Vanna AI library. This flaw, tracked as CVE 2024-5565, has a CVSS score of 8.1. It involves a prompt injection in Vanna's ask function, which allows users to generate SQL queries simply by asking questions. This vulnerability can trick Vanna into executing arbitrary commands. The credit goes to the cybersecurity experts at JFrog and an independent researcher named Tong Liu. They revealed how this flaw could let attackers inject malicious prompts, leading to remote code execution. Following responsible disclosure, Vanna issued a hardening guide, advising users to sandbox environments. This incident highlights the risks associated with generative AI and LLMs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Encryption Edge for more updates on cybersecurity. Check out the link in the description below. Stay secure and see you next time.